It is Friday, December the 28th. Welcome to Vlogmas Day 27. It is lunchtime and I am headed home so I can grab me a bite to eat and kick my feet up for 30 minutes. So yeah, I live for lunch breaks and 15-minute breaks. I just live for them. But yeah, so I'm headed home to eat some Christmas Day leftovers, and I think this is the last day for leftovers, to be honest. Today's going by fast, surprisingly. I've been on my feet all day, so I'm a little tired, but overall I had a good day so far. And I'm getting all the green lights, so like I really shouldn't be complaining right now. Green light everywhere. Hey y'all, so I got off of work super late today and I'm finally home chilling and resting. I had a long day, so I plan on keeping this vlog super short simply because I plan on doing something tomorrow. I will have my nieces and nephew over, so we're gonna get into something. I'm not sure what, but we're gonna be busy tomorrow, so I want to get my rest in today. But I hope you guys had a good day. I am about to get me a slice of cake, get in some covers, and watch a movie. Like, all I wanted to do was chill, so I'm gonna probably put on my onesie because I have this pink and white polka dot onesie, which is super cute. It's my favorite, and it's real snuggly and cozy. So I plan on getting in that and literally just drowning myself in my covers and watching a good movie. If you guys have any video suggestions, I plan on pulling up Amazon Prime and also Amazon Movie, Amazon Prime or whatever, and then also Netflix. So if you have any suggestions, leave them in the comment section below because I do plan on watching some good movies. And I will be eating my caramel corn from Nikki's Popcorn because you guys know she is my favorite. But I hope you guys have been enjoying my vlogs these past few weeks. Vlogmas, I can't believe it's gone by so fast. And I'm sitting here thinking about all the things that I did at the beginning of September. I never really thought I'd have enough content to make exciting vlogs, but you know, I've been making content, so I'm pretty thankful for that. Like I said before, this is a tough job, so for all of you daily vloggers who do this, my hat is off to you guys, because it's a lot of work, a lot of effort. You have to plan your day, you have to have time to edit, you have so much to do, and I'm just shocked that I stuck with Vlogmas, only because I'm such an introvert, and there are times where I'm like, oh my God, people are knowing so much about me and it makes me want to clam up and like hide myself in a shell. But I know sometimes I can't do that, and Vlogmas has forced me to step out of that. So I'm thankful for the growth with that as well. But I hope you guys truly have been enjoying the vlogs and that you guys stuck with me. For those of you who don't really care for Vlogmas and you've been getting my notifications every day, thank you for not subscribing. I have had some people, you know, unsubscribe for the notifications and all of that, and I understand if Vlogmas is not your cup of tea. I just wanted to try something new. It's something I've never done before, and I wanted to test myself and challenge myself, so I'm thankful that I did it. So I thank you guys so much for watching. These next few days will be fun for us, and we'll just close Vlogmas out. But I really hope you guys have enjoyed my videos and the things that I do share, the things that I have passion about. I feel like Vlogmas was a regeneration of my channel to get things back in the swing of things, back in the motion. And so I am thankful because I feel like I am back in the mode of making videos. I was in a place earlier and basically the whole year where I was sad and not wanting to upload and just, you know, thinking about the things I didn't have anymore, you know, and not focusing on my goals as it relates to YouTube and not focusing on you guys. So I thank you guys. With Vlogmas, it has pulled me out of the pit. It has put me in a place of being focused on what I want concerning my YouTube channel. So I am so thankful for that. So the next thing I want you guys to do is I want you guys to leave comments in the comments section below, letting me know what kind of content you want to see from me. 2019 is going to be a year that I go hard and I do not go home. Like, I'm just going to be going hard all year, pushing these videos out, keeping YouTube my #1 focus, and I'm so eager to give you guys exactly that. But I definitely love to hear from you guys about what other video ideas you guys have. So leave those in the comment section below. Can't wait to see what you guys have in mind of what you think I should make videos about. I will read every comment and take that into consideration. Thank you guys so much again for rocking with me for Vlogmas, and I will see you guys in my video tomorrow. We plan on doing something major, something fun, and it'll be a good one. So I will see you guys later. I am about to watch some Netflix and really chill, okay? So have a good one. Peace.